My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Onyeka statement wey be say she make for one of her interviews about Doublekay don cause serious controversies online, and also Wannixhandi fans don come out to come gift dem huge amount of money over their NGO organization wey be say dey get. So housemates, since the Big Brother Naija show end, the finalists as they come outside, they go about their media rants, and a lot of them don talk certain things wey be say don cause a lot of misreactions for internet space. The one wey be say I go pick out of all their media rants so far, wey be say the most controversial to me, like statement wey Onyeka make. So today for their interview, they interview all of them together. Onyeka, they actually ask Kellyrae a question wey be say they ask the guy to say, what's up with you, how far your relationship with Cassia, whether the things say they go well and all of that. The guy say yes, actually na Cassia get the money wey be say win, and they willing to give her everything because na the type of relationship wey be say they get. So the interviewer come ask everybody wey dey there, come say whether the housemates find out on time, say whether they suspect or something, say Doublekay dey married. Well, one e come talk say their two get a lot of chemistry, say but for her widest imagination she never think say na actually married. Onyeka on the other hand come out come talk say she herself say she dey very certain that they were married. Kellyrae come dey try to tell her say, Onyeka, you no suspect say we dey married, you no dey sure about anything, na lie. Onyeka come dey insist say she know, say two of them don dey married. Now remember to say the first person wey talk to say e dey suspect say Doublekay don marry na Chinwe and not Onyeka. Onyeka wey be say we know na person wey be say if she find out say dem dey married, Onyeka go first talk her for Big Brother diary section before she go come outside to come talk and give the whole house. She for don tell everybody, because that girl, she was always in everybody's business. So this one wey be say she dey come and they come claim the thing, na dey shocking to me. Una lis ten to the interview for herself before I play fans reaction for una.
When you guys were given the car, like, you're not the winner, your wife is the winner. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Because she's actually the winner. Trust me, yeah. What belongs to you belongs to her now. So that money belongs to her. It's hers. So why did you, was this your first time going into the house auditioning for Big Brother? No, my third. Your third time. How about her? The first time. Okay, so what made you guys decide to hide the fact that you were married? Y'all knew they were married? Well, they disclosed that later in the house anyway. But did you guys know before they disclosed? No. You didn't know? You did? Mama, you didn't. You just suspected. It's still the same thing. You didn't know. Did you suspect marriage or relationship? Marriage. Okay, no, it's fine. We will come to it later. Oga, why did you decide to hide the fact that you guys were married? Was that a strategy going in? Well, I don't call it a strategy, but everyone calls it a strategy. Yeah. I did that because I felt like if we go in as a couple.
So after this particular statement, Doublekay fans, other fan base too, they come out to come dey drag Onyeka. They say na lie, say Onyeka she dey lie, she no know anything concerning that thing. So make una listen to how fans react over this statement wey be say Onyeka make for the interview today.
What's happening to your network?
Because let me brief you, man is nothing without violence. Man is nothing without violence. That's the funny thing.
Yesterday on this same space, Onyeka fans were defending Cassia. Oh. They were really, really defending Cassia. And so if let's say we want to say, okay, there's this enmity, I don't think they would have done that. Because like four of them, because normally one person might be like, oh, let me defend, another person like, no, you guys, it's not our battle to fight. But all of them, they collectively defended Cassia. So me waking up today and seeing this whole beef on the timeline, very
let me just see for some of the things she said in the interview. So it's only a payback time.
Oh, exactly, so you're saying Onyeka fans are trying to
no, wait, but if no, it's not Onyeka fans. This is what is going on. You see, when Cassia came out, she was actually dragged. Even on her Showmax interview, people dragged her. And then I've seen tweets of where K Squad people were saying because they were voting, they were not going to talk. They were not going to
reciprocate that same energy.
Exactly.
That Onyeka has been blunt because the Onyeka that we knew, if he knew that he knew, because there is difference between suspecting something and knew something 100%. I know these people are married. 100% with the Onyeka we knew would have gone to the diary room to explain to even Big Brother. But that aside, for saying that he knew now, I don't even see any issue there. I don't know why they are dragging her. I don't understand. I just feel that BBN fans, they just find something to drag people about. That's not my business. The thing is that one of the reasons why I felt people are dragging Onyeka is the confidence that she put on when she said she see things. She knew that they were married. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. These people even said it in the 5th week that if everybody want to know, let them know, because they are already tired of this of the thing. It's not a strategy. People keep saying it's a strategy. It's not a strategy. It's just a way for them to be free with other housemates. And at the end of the day, it's not an easy task to pull. So if anybody now come out want to take credit for what, nobody will give you 1 naira out of it. Because I watch an interview today now where even one is telling her that you did not know, but she kept insisting that she knew. Okay, if you are a Doublekay fan, leave her, let her know. There's no award for knowing. So I don't understand all these drags that you people are doing. Is it that you don't have anything to talk about? Maybe the post show is boring to you people, so you don't have anything to talk about?
Onyeka, me, I dey happy to say you come out, you win plenty fans and all of that. But this girl, sometimes some kind things wey be say she dey talk, the thing dey sound somehow. And for the fans wey be say dey fight since this show end, even if una fight from now till tomorrow, it changes nothing. The person wey don win the money don win am. Whether e dey boring, whether una like am, whether una no like am, he has won it. May everybody move on. Congratulations once again to the winner of Big Brother Naija No Lose Gas season, Doublekay, Abina Kelly Ray. I dey wish them the best. For people wey be say they talk say Kelly Ray no go make am for the fame industry. You are not God. You will never be God. No matter how I not like person reach, I no dey wish the person downfall. So onto Wanni and her beautiful sister Handi, today their fans came out to come and show them love for their media rant. Their fans bring voucher, gift them voucher wey be say they go use take fuel their Ikenga motor wey be say Wanni win for her sponsor tax. And they gave them full payment of legal fees for their upcoming NGO, any other gifts. I am so happy for them. I dey so happy for these girls, because these girls now people wey be say I don't see their throwback. They don't dey suffer for a very long time. They don't dey hustle. They no ever rest. This Wanni and her sister Handi, they no ever rest for the streets, hustling until God can remember them. So sometimes when you see person say person don't make am for life, it didn't come easy for them. Some of them don't start, they don't pay their dues. That's why Bible does say this. Despise not the days of little beginning, because that small way they do, where they feel say God not they see, they see am. So now big win for these girls, and I am very happy. I am so proud of Wanni and her sister Handi, because it's not easy. Naija fans una be the real odogu, because every year una they come and they come support people without even looking back. Una go give people money, una go take care of una fave, treat them right without collecting anything in return. Now God go reward all of una. Una take care, una bye.